Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Talking Bullion. Or should I say, welcome to another episode of Sticker Mail. This is going to be cool. My sticker collection is starting to get sizable, and I need to start working on a board to put them on. Some type of poster board or bulletin board, because I want to be able to display them because these things are really cool. First one here I got is from Yankee Stacking. This is from Off-Grid Power, and this is from WB. Alright, so let's go ahead and get Yankee Stackings open. He's recently presented these on one of his videos, live streams, so we know what they look like. But still, pretty excited to open up and have my very own. So let me go ahead and... Ooh, cool. He threw a little sheet of paper in there as well. Hope your day is A-okay. Wait a minute, he's left-handed, so hope your day is... Oh man, I don't have a gold coin around here. Hope your day is A-okay. Anyway. Sorry, Yankee. Just trying to have some fun with you. So that's really cool. Oh, there's a note on the back. Cool. Talking Bullion. Thank you for being a wonderful stacker, great community member, and a very good friend. Hope you enjoy my channel sticker as much as I've enjoyed yours. All the very best, Yankee. Very cool note. That's definitely going on my board, Yankee. And then here's your sticker. How cool is that? Let's put that out of the way so we can clearly see this one. Look at that. It's perfect. I love the size. You know, someone else was talking on their channel about making their sticker bigger. But, you know, I don't think you want to overwhelm somebody. I think, you know, Yankee, this is the perfect size. And you did a great job on it. Graphic looks good, nice and clear. The writing looks great. I will treasure that for sure. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. Let's put that there for now. And let's go ahead and open up another one. This one is from WB. Let's see what Debbie has for us. Be careful though I don't cut anything in here. Pull this out. Oh, nice thank you card. Pretty nice. Talking Bullion. Thanks for the trade. Keep up the great videos. Debbie B. Oh, Debbie, that's nice. Nice card, and wow, look at that sticker. That is quite a sticker. Debbie B's booty, keep stacking. Alright. That is really cool. Well, thank you. That's definitely the most unique sticker I believe I have. So, thank you very much, Debbie. That's pretty cool. It's going to look great on the board. And then finally, let's take a look at what Off-Grid Power sent me. So, get this thing cut open. Again, I'm trying to be careful because I don't want to be cutting somebody's sticker in half. So let me go ahead and peel this thing down. Looks like my knife's getting a little dull on me. I have to sharpen that thing. So let me just take a quick peek, make sure there's no personal information in here. Okay, looks good. Hey, Talking Bullion. As promised, here are a couple Off-Grid Power stickers. Enjoy and keep up the good work. Off-Grid Power. Ooh-wee, look at these. I got lit with Off-Grid Power. Get lit. Off-Grid Power LLC, get lit. Those are some nice stickers. I thought maybe I had seen your stickers before, but now that I see them, I don't think so. Peddling Power since 2014. See it right there between the antlers? Wow, dude, these things are really cool. What a great idea. Nice sticker. Yes. So there we go, folks. That's my sticker mail. Got some pretty nice stuff. Great for my collection. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why don't you go ahead and do that now. Just go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And also, check out these video recommendations that I popped up for you. Got some great content in there. Go ahead and click on them and check them out. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.